Hello friends, and welcome to this tutorial on how to configure transaction menu in Marg Software. Configure in the sense you can enable, disable or delete the options from the transaction menu which are not required, or you can change their names as per your requirements. Now let's understand why would transaction menu configuration be needed. For example, if you install this software in a gift gallery, so there generally you will need to work on sale bill, sale return and purchase return only. Options like quotation, sale order, price difference, sale purchase won't be needed. So you can delete these options if you want, or you can change their name. Suppose from sale bill to invoice or something. The benefit of transaction menu configuration is that as you install the software in different trade, so according to the need of every trade, you can provide only those many menus which are required. In this way, your customer feels like the software is specially made for them and the software can fulfill their needs. Now let's see how can this be implemented in Marg Software. Like you see in your transaction menu, these options are already available like sale, purchase return, expiry, breakage, purchase return, breakage, expiry, replacement issue, replacement receive. Similarly, in this way there is sale order, purchase order, quotation. By default these options are available. But if you want, then you can enable or disable these options according to your requirement. Like suppose you don't need these options sale return breakage expiry and purchase return breakage expiry. So if you want, then you can disable these options from Marg setups. In the same way, if you don't need replacement or issue or receive, then you can disable them from Marg setups. Here you see sale purchase. If you want, then you can modify it. Like in place of sale, you want to change it to sales invoice, so you can change it from Marg setups itself. So friends, let's see how does this work. For that we will go on masters, Marg setups and enter on control room. Then enter on inventory. You will leave this blank and enter on accept. As soon as you enter on accept, then you will see the inventory window will appear. Here the first option you see is sale entry required. So if you want to disable sale entry, then you will select X, else you will keep it yes. Then press enter. And you can edit this field if you want and modify it. Suppose in place of sales, sale invoice. Similarly, you have purchase entry. If you require this option, then you will select yes, else you will select X to cancel it. And similarly, you can modify the name of purchase as well. Suppose purchase invoice. Similarly, you have other options to enable and disable, like return entry required. Similarly, there's breakage and expiry entry. If you do not need expiry entry, so you will select X. Then is replacement. If you don't require replacement option, then you will select X. Similarly, there are other options like stock issue and receive, price difference, sale and purchase order. So all these options are available. You can enable the ones you require or select X for them. Now to save these changes, we will press escape, then escape again and enter on yes. Now if we check the transaction menu, so you will see your transaction menu has changed. Like in place of sale, sale invoice will get printed. And here you see the return entry is now closed, like as we changed. You can see sale return, purchase expiry, purchase return, breakage expiry options are not available now. Similarly, if again you want to enable these options, so again you will go on masters, Marg setups, enter on control room, enter on inventory, enter on accept. And if you want, then again you can enable these. Then again press escape and enter on yes. And here you'll see all the options are back. So friends, in this way we learned how to configure transaction menu according to our requirement in Marg Software. Thanks for watching.